Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're frustrated with that annoying blinking red light on your Dyson vacuum, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix it in 2025 models, so you can get back to clean floors without the hassle. First off, let's understand what this red light means. Typically, it signals issues like a blockage, a dirty filter, or a low battery, common problems that are usually easy to resolve at home. To start, grab your Dyson and unplug it for safety. Step 1. Check for blockages. Turn the vacuum over and inspect the brush roll and hose for any tangled hair, debris, or clogs. Use a pair of scissors or a tool to gently remove anything stuck, but be careful not to damage the parts. Once clear, plug it back in and test it. If the light persists, move on to step 2, cleaning the filters. Dysons have washable filters, so remove them according to your model's instructions, rinse them under warm water until clean, and let them dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Next, address the battery. If your Dyson is cordless, ensure it's fully charged. Plug it in and let it charge for a few hours. Sometimes, a simple reset can do the trick. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds to reboot the system. If none of these steps work, it might be a more serious issue, like a faulty sensor or motor problem. In that case, check your warranty or contact Dyson support for professional help. There you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing that blinking red light. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent this from happening again, so clean your vacuum every few uses. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.